Electrolux front-load washer vibrating and making noises? Here are a few tips that may address your issue. 1. Make sure the washer is resting firmly on the floor. 2. Check to ensure all sides of the washer are level, with each washer leg placed solidly on the floor. 3. To adjust the legs, simply turn the legs slightly in or out, then tighten the lock nuts. Tip: leveling legs should not extend more than 1/2 inch below the washer bottom. Check your installation instructions and make sure all shipping materials were removed during installation. The load may be off balance. Turn the power off and wait for the door to unlock. Rearrange clothes to help evenly distribute the load. Tip: if the load remains out of balance, add 1 or 2 similar items, especially if it's a smaller load, and restart the washer. Some noises are perfectly normal with your Electrolux front-load washer. These are common sounds you may hear. Drain hose: water flowing into the standpipe through the flexible drain hose. Water valves, dispenser: water entering the dispenser system. The sound can vary based on your water pressure. Door lock: clicking sound when the door locks or unlocks. Since your washer is equipped with multiple pumps, it's normal to hear water either being pumped from the washer during the drain phase or recirculated during the pre-wash and wash phases. The sound of the high-speed motor during the spin cycle to extract water from your load may vary slightly depending on the load size and the cycle selected. If you experience rattling and clanking noises, there could be an easy fix. Check belt buckles and other fasteners on clothing that may cause rattling or clanking sounds. Tip: fasten or remove these items or turn your clothing inside out to reduce sounds. Check the pockets. Rattling and clanking can also be caused by loose objects such as coins in the washer drum. If you don't find anything and the noises continue, try running an empty load to see if the noise persists. This will allow you to determine if the noise is coming from the washer or an article of clothing. Seeking more information? Check out your use and care guide, visit us online, or call us.